Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be going through again two hard stock that I see a lot of potential in on the longer term, and one of the stock I think is sitting at a very attractive price. So stay tuned because I think you're gonna like today's video as well. So welcome back. The stock I want to talk about today is NIO alongside DraftKings. First of all, NIO is the one stock I have mentioned several times in my previous former videos, and right now there are some bad news, bad rumors going around. There are some bilateral issues between China and America. There was an accident with the NIO car being an autopilot in China, which also caused a lot of chaos, and other rumors with news such as the semiconductor issue, as well as what is going on with Afghanistan being very close to China, and overall the Chinese market, which resemble S&P 500, Yang Ying, I think this is the name, you can Google that, is also, I have read and I also had a look earlier, is in red for some days consistently now. So overall there are some bad news, and that is affecting the stock. And in the last 5 days, if you look at NIO, it's been down. Earlier it was 15%, right now it's 14.80%. I think this is a massive opportunity to jump in on NIO. NIO sitting at 37.38. This is a stock that, in my opinion, in the next 10 years will be worth $1 trillion. $1 trillion in a market cap. That is my point of view on NIO, especially about what I have read overall about EV, and especially about NIO being massively supported by China. Even now, in situations like that, there are, if you Google it, there are some Canadian banks loading up on NIO and buying millions and millions of stocks, actually, not in dollars but in numbers. So think about it. This is a stock, in my opinion, is sitting at a very attractive price. Do your own research, but I just wanted to share this with you, that in the last 5 days NIO has been down 14 to 15%, is in red. You should only invest when the stock market on days when the days are red, and not in when they are in a bullish trend are totally in green. So that is my point of view on NIO. Right now sitting at a very attractive price. There are some bad rumors, bad news, but this stock in future, in the near as well as on the longer term, is, first of all, it's getting globalized. It's stepping its footprints in the States as well as in Europe, in Norway in particular. In Germany you can see their cars running around. China wants by end of 2030 90% of their cars being EV cars, and NIO is their front runner. This is their main company. They want to massively support it alongside obviously XPeng. And obviously with situations like what's going on between China and America right now, they would not want the Tesla, which is right now a leader in sales in America. They wouldn't want that 40% of the market the Tesla is covering, that it stays like that. Obviously for that reason they're supporting NIO massively. And so that was my take on NIO. Highly bullish on it. Right now I will be for sure considering it. I think it might still go a little bit down and touch this 36, 35ish because of what's going on. So I'm a little bit hesitant in jumping on it right now, especially because I have massive amount of investment in NIO already. But if this goes down, this for me is a really good news. So I'm looking at it very eagerly, and I personally think if you don't have investment in NIO, this is a golden opportunity. So do your own research, but that's my take on NIO. And also I can show you the Tiprank point of view from the Wall Street analysts. They see NIO as a strong buy, with in the next 12 months being a stock of $66 with an upside potential of 73%. That is massive. I personally also am highly bullish on NIO, just like I mentioned it, and I obviously see it also above 60 by end of this year already. So the next stock I want to talk about is DraftKings online sport betting company. This company, alongside NIO, is one of my favorite company. You guys might think that I'm always talking in that exaggeration state, but the companies I mentioned about, I do a lot of research about it. You guys might have watched the recent Poirier McGregor UFC fight, the third. In the background, DraftKings is all over. This was one of the main event and one of the highly anticipated game. And what I was noticing, it was DraftKings. I was like, there are so many good catalysts right now for DraftKings, and that for me was one. The last game between Tyson and Jones was also actually sponsored by DraftKings. That was last year. So these are just two news that I wanted to share with you regarding DraftKings. The rest is in my notes, and I obviously want to share that with you. So we know that NFL regular season is coming up soon. This is one catalyst for DraftKings. NBA soon after that is also there. Another push for DraftKings, in my opinion, is the number one, the most powerful legalized gambling stock in the history of the world right now. On August 10th, 2021, very recently, a week ago, DraftKings opened up its online marketplace with the launch of numerous Tom Brady non-fungible tokens. Remember the name Tom Brady? So DraftKings Marketplace allows users to buy and sell digital collectibles across sports, entertainments, and culture markets, bringing a wide range of users to its platform. The marketplace obviously is straightforward to use even for those with little knowledge of digital collectibles. And to be able to use the DraftKings marketplace, the user must have a DraftKings account. The third thing is DraftKings continues to expand its user base through acquisitions. Recently, on August 9, DraftKings entered an agreement to acquire Golden Nugget. The ticker symbol is GNOG, G-N-O-G. GNOG was also recently announcing its numbers, and they were really, really good. And I'm not surprised that DraftKings is in, let's say, in talks and in agreements in the near future to acquire GNOG, because DraftKings has so many catalysts, and they are spending so much money on sponsorships. It's crazy. I personally think this is gonna be one giant company. Online sport betting, when Corona and all these variants, all those cases, the pandemic, when this is all over and the sports, everything comes back to its normal rhythm again, DraftKings name will be everywhere. The other thing I want to talk about is DraftKings has recently acquired Scarcity Labs, which is a small Canada-based company focused on blockchain technology. And that this will obviously help DraftKings to support its marketplace advancements. So these are some of the things that I wanted to, so to say, catalysts I wanted to share with you in the context of DraftKings. And in my opinion, DraftKings is gonna be one giant company in the near as well as on the longer term. I personally think in the next 12 months, this is my prediction right now for DraftKings. In the next 12 months, this stock will be worth 100, if not beyond, easily. And by end of 2022, so to say, 16 to 24 months, when hopefully everything is clear and everything is back to normal again, DraftKings will be just like Penn literally exploded. DraftKings in the next 16 to 24 months, in my opinion, will be a stock of $150. So that was my take on NIO and DraftKings. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and stay tuned for the next video. I will see you in the next video.